In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Instagram Reels using GIFs and memes in Canva. If you love creating fun, eye-catching, and shareable content, this is the perfect method for you. GIFs and memes can instantly add humor and emotion to your Reels, helping your videos stand out and connect better with your audience. Let's get started. Open Canva on your computer or mobile app. On the homepage, click on Create a Design. In the search bar at the top, type Instagram Reel. You'll instantly see a list of templates that are already sized perfectly for Reels, so everything fits within Instagram's format. Go ahead and click on the Instagram Reel option to open a blank canvas. Now it's time to bring in some humor and personality. In the left side menu, click on Elements and type Meme in the search bar. Canva will display hundreds of meme templates and graphics that you can choose from. Browse through and pick one that fits the mood or story you're trying to tell in your reel. Once you find the perfect one, click on it and it'll appear right on your canvas. Next, let's add a GIF for extra movement. Go back to the search bar and type GIF. Canva has a built-in library of animated GIFs you can use. Select a GIF that complements your meme or the overall theme of your video. Drag and drop it where you want on your design. You can resize, reposition, or even layer it creatively. Here's where your personal touch comes in. Most meme templates in Canva have editable text boxes. Click on the text to replace the default words with your own funny or relatable caption. Play around with different fonts, text effects, or colors until your meme looks just right. Remember, your goal is to create something that's authentic, entertaining, and true to your style. When you're happy with how your meme and GIF blend together, preview your reel by hitting the play button above the canvas. Check that the animations, timing, and layout feel smooth and visually balanced. If everything looks good, click on the download button and select MP4 video as your file type. Canva will export your project as a high-quality video ready to post on Instagram. And that's it. You've just learned how to make a fun and engaging Instagram reel using GIFs and memes in Canva. This method is simple but incredibly effective for creating content that grabs attention and boosts engagement. Experiment with different memes, styles, and GIFs to keep your reels fresh and exciting. Thanks for watching and happy creating.